Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, gagawin po natin ang mag-update ng guest details using Managed Booking of Cebu Pacific. So in your browser, type mo lang ang Cebu Pacific. Enter. Next, 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 next. Let's go. Agree. So here, nandito na po tayo sa website ni Cebu Pacific. So click lang po natin ang Manage Booking. And then, enter mo lang yung reference number. And then, enter mo lang yung surname. Then, continue. Kailangan po kasi natin na ma-update po yung guest details kasi required po talaga yan ng Cebu Pacific. Ayan na po, ito na po siya. So, confirm booking reference, yan na po siya. Update guest details, ito po. So, yun. Guest information. Do you need special assistance? So, wala. So, ito, like for example, kung mga senior citizen or may baby siya or what. So, pwede po kayong maglagay dito ng yes. Ganyan po ninyo, na may assistance kayo. Or kaya yung guest na may sakit na kailangan ng wheelchair, ganun, basta something like that. Emergency contact. So, input mo lang yung given name, family name, relationship, email address, cellphone number, and then continue. Yan, your request is being processed. So yan na po, your booking details have been updated. So yan. May guest details dito and then contact information. Yan na po. So summary. So yun lang po, ganun lang po kasimple ang pag-update ng guest details sa Managed Booking. So like for example, mag-check po tayo ng flight status. So sa flight status is Managed Booking, flight status. So click lang po natin ang by route, then origin, Dipolog, Manila. So, try po natin ito kung makikita na ba yung status. So, December 6 po ang flight ng cousin ko. So, wala pa po siya. Sunday, December 5 hanggang December 5 pa lang po ang nakikita niya. So, anyway, pag nakikita na dyan, i-click mo lang yung check status. Tapos, lalabas na po dyan, mag-pop up po yung flight not yet departed or canceled ba siya. Ganon lang po. So, yan po guys. I hope na may natutunan po kayo sa video ito. So, thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa next kong video. Thank you. Bye-bye!